Hey Europeans! Dreaming of a tech job in the USA from Germany, France, or the UK? Scared of the H-1B lottery? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the H-1B visa in 2025, even without winning the lottery. I'm Zach from Move From EU. Let's dive in. This guide is for EU citizens from Germany, the UK, France, Italy, and more. People with a bachelor's degree, at least 1 year of experience in IT, engineering, data or finance, and those looking for a US sponsor company. Let's start with the basics. H-1B stands for Specialty Occupation Visa. Only 85,000 slots are available each year, 65,000 regular, and 20,000 for master's degree holders. The 2025 lottery will run from March 1st to March 17th. Registration fee, $215. That's a new rule. And the visa start date, October 1st, 2025. Here are the key updates for 2025. One person means one entry, no duplicates. There's a separate cap for master's degree holders. Priority is given to previous H-1B holders. And higher chances go to wage level 2 and above jobs. The number one step is find a sponsor. Top H-1B sponsors include Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Apple. Mid-size sponsors, EPAM, Cognizant, and Infosys. Here's how to find them. On LinkedIn, search H-1B sponsor plus your city. On myvisa.com, filter for Europe. Or use h1bgrader.com to check approval rates. Between March 1st and 17th, your company pays the $215 registration fee. You provide your passport and degree scan. Lottery results are announced on March 31st. If selected, you'll have 90 days to file your petition. After winning the lottery, your company files Form I-129. The filing fee is $2,805. For faster results, add premium processing for another $2,805. Result in 15 days. Documents needed: your degree and transcript, experience letters, labor condition application, also known as LCA, and your official job offer letter. Once your petition is approved, fill out the DS-160 form online. The fee is $205. Book your interview at the U.S. Embassy in Frankfurt, London, or Paris. Common interview questions include: why do you want to work in the USA? What is your job role? And what ties do you have to your home country? You can skip the lottery completely with these options. Cap-exempt jobs, such as university or nonprofit research roles, H-1B transfer if you already hold an H-1B visa, or switch from an L-1 visa to H-1B through an intra-company transfer. Here's the total cost from Europe. Registration, $215. I-129 filing, $2,805. DS-160, $205. Travel and other expenses, around $1,000. Total, roughly $4,200. But remember, your company pays it all. Your cost, zero. Avoid these mistakes. Don't trust fake consultants. Don't submit duplicate entries. Never say I want to settle in the USA during your interview. And don't apply for wage level 1 jobs. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is 100% complete. Show your GitHub or online portfolio that boosts your chances by 50%. Apply only to companies with at least 70% approval rates. And always use premium processing. That's it! You now know how to get the H-1B visa in 2025. Drop your CRS score or job field in the comments and I'll share personal tips for you. Subscribe for the next video, Australia Study to PR Guide. Like and share this with your EU friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the USA.